CBr₄ Lewis structure, that is carbon tetrabromide Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valency electron as it is in group 14 or 4a. Bromine has 6 valency electron as it is in group 17 or 7a. By here we have 4 bromine, so multiply by 4. So 4 plus 28, so 32 valence electron. This 32 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for each atom. Let me connect. For connect, just use 2 dot, right? So we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Then use other valence electron to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. We have used all the 32 valence electron. Let me check the octet. Octet, 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 octet. Let me check the octet of central atom. Octet. Carbon is a central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond, or it is least electronegative. You can replace this bonding pair by a line or dash. So this is the Lewis dot structure of carbon tetrachloride.